Hipnotisado.
Sige na, pahinga.
Doble-doble na ang paningin ko.
Good night.
Night.
Good night, everyone. We're going to sleep here also. In this area.
Hindi
Eee.
yung hindi na ako pwede kasi kumanta ako ng sobra. Ay, over.
Sis,
Sis,
you can add more water.
tomorrow, huwag mo ubusin ha. Ay, sabi ka, parang mauubos naman. Ang uubusin ha, mag-almusal ako dito bukas.
Ate Rose said about the adobo. We need, yeah. No, I don't like. I want tea. Ay.
Kaya, naalala ko tayo sa Joanne. Ini-expect niya pag sasabihan ko siya ng, you're so poor. Kasi lagi niya sinasabi kay Eileen tsaka sa akin, you're so poor, sabi niya. Tapos sabi ko,
Why?
kasi naghihirap nga kami ni Eileen. Tapos nung siya naman walang maibigay sa offering, sabi niya, hampas lupa.
Oh my gosh.
What a word.
Okay.
Bye.
Ate Nady is already sleeping.
Yeah.
I need to sleep also. It's already midnight. I think it's 1 o'clock already.
Yeah.
Do you think?
Wala, alis na ako yung phone ko nandito pa. No. 12
Okay. You will go up?
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye.
We'll go down early tomorrow.
Eileen? Where are you na po? We need to sleep na.
Kung wala kang dalang toothbrush o toothpaste o sabon, meron tayo. Marami tayo dun.
Yeah, balat.
Bye.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow.
Okay, kanya-kanya tayo ngayon, ha? Okay, you're gonna sleep there and I will sleep here. And Ate Nedy will be in the office. Oh my gosh, kapatid, naka-video po kayo.